Hi there. We're assessing range of motion in a type of horizontal abduction, abduction. So the arm's coming away. This is horizontal abduction. This is with bent elbow. And so there are a few movements in strength training that you would use, like if you're at the machine and you're doing one of these routines. You may also rig something similar up with dumbbells, kind of doing flies. But you don't want to go past your active range in those positions. So if you can only go to here with your own muscles, you never want to let a machine or a weight pull you past that, because it is basically just kind of stretching out that tissue and the joint isn't able to support itself. So the assessment is moving this arm out to the side, and you can do it in both positions. You want to try to make sure that you're not elevating your shoulder to get out of a tissue stretch here. So whatever that straight range is, wherever that stops, straight out to the side, that is what you have. There it goes. There it goes.